Welcome to today's Kundalini Yoga Kriya for the lymphatic system. Stimulating the lymphatic system is important for immune function, detoxification, fluid balance, and improved circulation. We have 8 postures today, 1 minute each. We'll begin by sounding the mantra Ong Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. Inhale, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Beautiful. We'll begin the practice by keeping the arms close to your sides. Bend the elbows so that the hands and forearms are pointing straight up and the palms are facing each other. Strongly push one arm out to a 60-degree angle while the other arm remains bent. Really focus on pushing the arm out from the armpit so you feel that stretch in this motion. That's really good for the lymph. Breathing in and out through the nose. I like to synchronize the breath with each movement. The teachings say you are channelizing the energy of the Ida and Pingala in this exercise. Moving from those armpits, stimulating that lymphatic system for increased circulation, detoxification, the balancing of fluids in your face and in your neck. 15 more seconds. Remember to breathe here. Now inhale the arms up and let the arms float down. The next posture we're moving into, we're going to extend both arms up and out, creating a V between your arms. Keep the elbows straight and crisscross your arms in front of the face. Move very quickly with a breath of fire here. If you're pregnant or on the first 3 days of your menstrual cycle, long, slow, deep breathing here instead of breath of fire. If you're new to breath of fire today, begin slow before fast. As you breathe in through the nose, the belly rises a bit, and as you exhale, you actively pull your navel back towards your spine. Inhale, fill up a little. Exhale, pull the navel in. Slow before fast as you set your foundation. Inhale the arms out and exhale, lower the arms down. Moving into our third posture, extend both arms out in front of you with the palms facing up. Moving both arms together, move as if you are splashing water up and over your head. Breathe powerfully through your mouth. Always be sure to take it at your own rhythm. I'm moving quickly. I really like stimulating my lymphatic system in this way. All of our bodies are different, so tune in and listen. In and out the mouth here. Last 20 seconds, move powerfully. Now inhale the arms out and relax the arms down. Moving into our fourth posture. Lie down on your back and begin to lift both legs up over your head into plow pose. We're going to return your legs to the floor and continue leg lifts into plow as you breathe through the nose. If your body isn't feeling like moving all the way into that plow pose, take it at your own pace. Maybe your legs just go down to the ground and you bring them back up towards the face. Wherever it is for you, it's perfect. Just move in the direction and listen to your body. Last 30 seconds here. Keep breathing and getting this nice stretch and circulation through your entire body. Wherever you are, beginning to take your legs back down. Posture 5, lying down straight on your back. Put your hands under your neck. Spread your heels about 1 foot apart and begin jumping the body from the hips, moving from the center of the body. Don't bend the knees, but move from the thighs to the rib cage. Move vigorously up and down, just letting this mid-center get a blast of circulation. Take this at your own rhythm and listen to your body. Breathing nice and deep in and out through the nose. Last 15 seconds here. You got this. And relax. 6th posture. Still lying on your back. Lift your legs up and grab your toes, keeping your knees straight if that's an option for you. Open your mouth up and breathe through your throat, like you're breathing through the back of your throat. If reaching those toes is not for you today, just simply lift your legs up and move in the direction that feels good to you today, where you feel like you're getting strengthened, where you feel like you're getting stretched, but it's not painful. 30 seconds left. Keep breathing in and out through that throat. Just clearing that throat center, stimulating the lymphatic system. And slowly coming out of it, letting the legs come down. 7th posture, coming into baby pose with your forehead on the ground and your hands behind you. Fully relax here. Let your forehead sink into the ground and breathe. Take a moment in this posture to feel like anything that has been heavy or stagnant or distracting or draining in your life right now, just feel it all melting down as you deeply relax in this position for a few more seconds. Give it to the earth and feel free. Last 15 seconds. Slowly rising back up for our 8th posture, our final posture of practice. Cross your palms over your heart center. Take a moment just to tune in to your heart by focusing your attention on this space. It gives you so many benefits: boosting of the immune system, heart-mind coherence, so many beautiful things to empower you and energize you and take with you for the rest of this day. Deepening the breath into the body, letting it go, Thank you for joining me in this beautiful practice to stimulate our lymphatic system today. I'm beaming you all the best, all the peace, all the power, and I'm always here to remind you that you have everything essential within you today to live a life that you love. If you're curious to dive deeper with me in a one-on-one space, be sure to comment or reach out to me on Instagram and we can have a beautiful conversation on how to get that started. Satnam. Mwah.